After India asked Canada to withdraw its 41 diplomats from New Delhi, Canada's foreign minister has said that Canada seeks private talks with India to resolve the diplomatic crisis. A Chinese Navy nuclear-powered submarine has sunk in the Yellow Sea after being caught in a Chinese trap that was intended for American and British vessels. The submarine ran out of oxygen after it was caught in seabed defenses installed by the Chinese Navy. Indian Navy has developed a 30mm anti-swarm drone ammunition, which is used by AK-630 close-in weapon system that is capable of building an iron wall around its warships to protect it from any attack by hundreds of enemy swarm drones. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has released the 5th positive indigenisation list that takes the number of major defense items placed under the import ban to 509. Hindustan Aeronautics is all set to modify the software of a Su-30 aircraft for carrying out captive trials of 600 km range Rudram-3 missile. 20 limited series units of the Rudram-3 missiles have been fabricated that will be used in its developmental phase. Philippines Defense Secretary has said that India will start delivery of the first Brahmos missile battery to Philippines Navy in December 2023, and that 21 Philippine Navy personnel have completed operations and maintenance training of the shore-based Brahmos supersonic cruise missile system. Philippines is also planning to fast-track a second order for Brahmos missiles for the Philippines Army by end of this year. Sagar Defence Engineering has unveiled its Matangi unmanned surface vessel at the Swavlamban exhibition 2023 that is equipped with a 360-degree long-wave infrared camera for day-night and thermal, a gyro-stabilized special target tracking system, a solid-state phase array radar that can track marine land and air-based targets. The Matangi has a speed of 93 km per hour, and it can also operate in swarms, and features state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology to take mission-critical decisions. India's Johnnette Technologies has demonstrated its JM-1 loitering munition to the Kazakhstan Ministry of Defence. It has an operational range of 5 km, an endurance of 30 minutes, a payload of 500 grams, and it is designed for aerial surveillance and target neutralization by land and naval forces. The entire operation is fully autonomous with an abort feature, and it can be recovered using a net recovery system. The Indian Air Force is planning to deploy mountain radar systems at strategic locations along the frontier with China that will enable it to see deep into Chinese territory. The mountain radar will weigh 5 tons and will feature the latest active phased array antenna technology that will have a search range of 25 km and can detect a target with 0.05 square meters radar cross-section from 8 km. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh have released the 5th positive indigenisation list that includes 98 military hardware, including futuristic infantry combat vehicles, naval shipborne unmanned aerial systems, articulated all-terrain vehicles, remotely piloted airborne vehicles for the Indian Army, medium-upgrade low-endurance class tactical drones, medium-range precision kill system for the artillery, integrated mobile camouflage system, and flares of P-8I and MiG-29K aircraft. The Indian Army is preparing for a massive combat exercise including 30,000 troops, T-90 and Arjun tanks and a wide range of howitzers, with an aim to evaluate integrated air-land operations and combine arms capabilities, and validate new tactical concepts learned from Russia-Ukraine conflict. Fighter jets, Apache attack helicopters and Chinook heavy-lift helicopters from the Indian Air Force and Navy will also be part of the exercise. Today's top 3 comments.